Hello and good evening to everyone present here. We welcome you to LSM, co-presented by Entrepreneurship Cell IT Kharagpur and Biome, brought to you by Business Standards and powered by Canara Bank. I am Harsh Agarwal, an associate member at Entrepreneurship Cell IT Kharagpur. We proudly present the fifth workshop on the topic, Marketing and Sales for the Startup and New Businesses, as a part of the workshop week in LSN 2020. Marketing is a must have for all startups. It has become a necessity during the current times as everything is online. Get to learn to the tips and tricks that we can simply use to leverage search engines, social media, etc. and stay ahead of competition. I am no expert in this field, but yes, we have an expert with us. So I'd like to acknowledge the presence of our eminent guest, Mr. Sanjay Gua, founder and CEO of Acquist. Mr. Sanjay is an industry veteran since 19 years based out of Mumbai. In his work X years, he has been part of Musco initially, then Netscribe, and then finally Dun and Bradstreet, where he headed the teams largely at national level. From there, he ventured into his entrepreneurial journey and in 2013 founded his own venture, Acquist. So, following the success of Acquist, Sanjay also launched three different verticals that are Acquist Reality, London Reality Connect, and the latest venture named Local Market. Now, I would like to call on the stage Mr. Sanjay Guha to help in learning and take a step ahead towards the entrepreneurial journey. Also, I would like to introduce a team member of Mr. Sanjay, Siddhant Bhattacharya, who will be assisting throughout the event.
Thanks, Harsh, for your kind words and very warm welcome and good evening to all attendees. Firstly, it's really an honor and a big prestige for me to be here, with all of you all, and to be invited by the entrepreneurship cell of IIT Kharagpur. So essentially, in today's discussion, we have kept it quite simple. So firstly, I will give an introduction about my journey so far, in a nutshell, of course, and then we will use some practical milestones from here to lay foundations in this workshop for any marketing and sales that any of you may undertake in coming days. So we'll have a long session on marketing, and of course, it will be followed by sales. So I'll just share the slide. So like I said, guys, firstly, I'll just give a brief introduction of myself and my work. So as Harsh introduced me, my name is Sanjay. I actually grew up in Calcutta, very close to where Harsh and team are in Kharagpur. And incidentally, in my first job, it took me a lot to Kharagpur. I used to service Tata Bearings as an account. It was, I was with Musco, as Harsh said. It was a steel company, so it brings back fond memories. So essentially, in my journey, initially, of course, I did my schooling in Calcutta. I grew up there, and eventually, then I moved on, to do my engineering in RV College, Bangalore, and then I came back to Calcutta for my MBA. Post then, of course, I have always been based in Mumbai, so to say, career wise. And of course, after a few initial stints with different companies, I launched my own venture, Acquist Asia, in December 2013. Now, Acquist again, is a very different company in that sense. So, just to give you a perspective and why this topic, for today's workshop, and what's the reason of my expertise, so to say, quote unquote. So, at Acquist, as the name suggests, we have been working on new customer acquisition programs for a host of clients across different geographies, across different industries. So on one hand, my solutions, so we are a services company. At Acquist, our services have been these marketing solutions that we have, designed and programmed for clients of all sizes, from all geographies, from all domains. So that's where, the deep understanding comes, of the marketing and, sales solutions that clients require. And of course, on the sales front, yes, I think sales is the only thing which I have done, in all my, previous jobs, and it's part of our DNA now in our organization. So while we provide marketing and sales solutions to clients, I think firsthand, I have done quite a bit of sales, mostly in the B2B front. But yes, recently we have some B2C ventures as well. So, that's been the journey. So briefly, Acquist Asia is a complete B2B marketing agency where we support companies from all over. Like I said, we also have Acquis Realty, which is our real estate venture. We have London Realty Connect, which is our international real estate and immigration venture. And fourthly, very about 4 5 months back, we have launched an e-commerce venture called Local Market. So that's our first B2C venture, to so to say. And so as you can see, that's been our expertise, and which some of it I will want to use here, and of course interact and learn from each of you. My expectation, I'll tell you, what I plan to deliver in this workshop, and what should be the key takeaways for you all in this workshop. See, one is, yes, I would want to give certain theoretical definitions of marketing and sales, and here we will very closely look at the implementation. We will look at how this is panning out in terms of creating the roadmap, the blueprint for different companies, so that you all can use this and replicate this in your businesses for creating your marketing and sales channel. So the key takeaway for you all from this workshop should be in terms of post this workshop at a broad level, you all should be able to define your business plan when it comes to marketing and sales. And here I'm talking of complete organic marketing and sales per se. So that's that. And we will keep it very interactive. We will have these breaks where I would want to invite questions, answers, from each of you also. Siddhant and Harsh have promised to help me with collating, your queries or questions, and we will accordingly respond. We will also, from time to time, as the index says, we have, at the end of my marketing session and at the end of my sales session, we will have some assignments for you all. See, in a 2-hour workshop, I really can't deliver, close to 20 years of my work here in 2 hours. But glad to sort of be here with you all. Please feel free to reach pre-post event at any point of time. So yeah, that's that. And with that, I would want to sort of start the workshop.